Okay, we back with another one. Rolling with Chance. Let's go. The car that was in front of me, done a 1967 Mustang drop top. Look out here looking good too. So we're gonna let y'all look at that, see how my paint man did on it. You know, he more like a paint man now. I've been over here helping him with the Mustang. And, you know what I'm saying? Just over here learning how to do it myself, for real. So, you know, we kind of done built a bun and, you know, it's there now. And I'm going to start showing off his work and stuff for him a little bit more because he don't post it or nothing like that. So, you know, now we're going to be, after this video, we're going full-fledged with the Mayberry. We're going to start all the body work. Well, we done took all the chrome off. Got the chrome off. We done took the bumpers off. We're going to start that body work today. And we going full-fledged. Gonna bust that baby down. Alright. I'm gonna give y'all a look at this Mustang. He just pushed out the garage for me. Look at it. Let's give y'all the turnaround. And we ain't in no sun. Shit look good. I'm talking about all in the trunk painted on this one. You should see it. All of that trunk painted. Shit together. I might paint man shooting glass. That boy shooting glass, honey. Drop in the comments what y'all think. Don't forget to do the like and subscribe. Turn that bell on. Drop in the comments what y'all think. And this ain't even in the sun. He probably ain't, I don't even think he on wet sand and buffed it yet either. It's still before wet sand and buff. So you know it'll be shining way harder after wet sand and buff. But he looking good though. He is looking good. Like I said, this before the wet sand and buff, so. And I only see one spot where it's just really might need wet sand and buff for sure, but he gonna wet sand and buff the whole car. That's just how he do. Whole car get wet sand and buff. Look at them. Ooh. Come on, man. Hey, man, we finna drop some hits this summer. I'm about to drop a hit. My boy finna drop a hit. My little cousin finna drop a hit. Bro finna drop a hit. We finna drop hits straight out of this shop right here. That's how we coming.